Good morning， 大家好，我是你的好朋友 Cindy。This is Cindy again. Today, where are we going? Going on the boat today. 我们今天要去船出去看海豚跟海龟。We're gonna go look for dolphin and sea turtle today. So in Waikiki, there's many cruise ride or boat ride. You can book easily with the local hotel concierge or just the people on the street. 在海外有很多可以去找上船啊，或者是任何海上活动的。The boat ride average about $120 per person for 2 hours. Don't forget the tips too. Boat ride 的话，你要上船的话，大概一个人120块，2个小时这样子。可是不要忘记要给小费，小费通常是一个人10块钱。Tips about $10 per person we usually do. So now we are at the Ala Momona, the piers. So we're at the Piers 8, and as you can see, our boat is docking at the Pier 8, number 15. So we're gonna go down there pretty soon. We just get here early to check out the place. 我们今天要从 Pier 8 15号的门口进去，所以等一下我们进去以后再给大家拍一些影片。Let's go. 大家好，我们现在到的这个 Ala Moana 的 pier， 所以我们现在各位可以看到 Pier 8 就是我们今天要登船的位置。你可以看到我身后有很多船，这些船都是要带大家出海的，有钓鱼啊，有 Snorkeling 啊，有什么都有。Welcome back. Today we're taking you on the cruise ride, the boat ride. So our boat is docked at Pier 8. So we're gonna go find our boat, and you can see there's a lot of recreation boat right here. Some going out for fishing, some going out for snorkeling, for different purpose. But let's have fun. It's Hawaii. Can go wrong with on the boat. See you later. There's a whale watching, fishing. 你可以去看鲸鱼、海豚。Alright, we're finally gonna get on the boat. Now this one, now this one. 我们现在要去我们的船上了，不是这边的这几艘。Well, maybe one day I have enough money, I buy a yacht. Alright, the Warrior. That's our boat right here. 各位，这是我们的船了，我们现在要上船了。Hello guys, how you doing? Good morning. Come on. Off to the sea. Yes.
Okay, cool. This is not going to be much different, guys. Pretty simple. A few basic rules. We can have a smooth day, like 3 points of contact at all times. As soon as you stand up, just make sure you're hanging on to something solid, okay? Along with that, feel free to walk around the vessel. We're just asking you guys watch your step. There's plenty of stuff to trip on. So, couple good golden rules. If you guys need to use the restroom at any point while we're out here, we do have a head on board. Toilet's right behind this wooden door. It's an old boat toilet, so we just ask that number one only. No solids, no paper in there. If you guys gotta go number 2, just try and hold it, or maybe use the ocean. That's a good option too. If you start to feel generous at any point, like maybe you're gonna share your breakfast with us, that's fine. Yeah, we'll just shoot for distance, try and get our food over the side if that's okay with you guys. Yeah, feed the fishes, they'll love it. And if you start to feel your feet get wet at any point, that's fine. Let Tyler and myself know. We have Coast Guard approved life jackets underneath the benches on either side. We also got a bunch up top across that bridge if we have to. That being said, guys, welcome to Maui Warrior. Let's go have some fun. We'll check out some turtles today.
Thank you.
$1,000 fine, so it's not worth it at all. So we're gonna do our best to try to stay 10 feet away. This rule is
We're at the snorkeling spot now. Let me take you for a ride. Look at over here. Tons of people snorkeling today. 所以我们现在已经到了这边，附近有好多人都在这边 snorkeling. I heard what they say. This is a turtle cleaning spot. So a lot of turtle nest out here, and they come out for the cleaning and the sunbathing over here. There's a little like a rock and an area over here. 这边就是一些乌龟会跑来这边休息清洁的地区，所以这边是非常 popular 的浮潜地方。你可以看到我身后好多人都在这边排队。It's a lot of people, tons of people snorkeling today. Great day to be on the boat. See you later.